the deal, YouTube? How you guys doing? Finally gonna get back to posting consistently. This video specifically is just showcasing when I got the 6.0 Silverado back. It's about a month ago. Just showing Chris's old setup as well. Yeah, we got a lot of cool stuff coming for the vet as well, so stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoy. Right now, we're on the way to go pick up the 6.0 Silverado. It's about time, man. I've been missing my baby for like half a year. My mechanic hit me up, told me it's ready for pickup. He said he has another thing to do, but once he finishes up, then he's gonna be able to work on the vet. But yeah, right now, most exciting part is we're gonna go get that 6.0. Once I get that, I'm gonna pick up the camera, let you guys know what's been done to it, how it's sitting right now. It's most likely gonna need a buff and polish. He said he washed it. We'll see how he did. All right, man. We're back in business. This thing has a lot more scrapes than I remember. I'm gonna have to get a real good buff, but just topping off on the 85. He did some heat cycles on it, so should be fine, but who knows. All right, man, we're here at California Battery in San Bernardino, swapping out the old one just because it kept dying on my boy. It didn't hold any more voltage, so I had to get a new one. But engine bay is all cleaned up, looking pretty clean. Here, I'll give you guys a walk around real quick. Pretty clean. I did notice some things though. Not sure if this dent was always there, but that's that. I'll probably pull it with a plunger though. I don't know if this was always there too. Need to get new decals, they're all faded. I don't know, man, this is an old truck. Damn. It's a good amount of stuff, as a matter of fact. Like, damn. Decal again. But overall, pretty clean for what it is for the year. I mean, it's an old truck, man. You can't expect it to be perfect, but yeah, damn, there's a good amount of stuff on it. I'm gonna sell it anyway, so you know it's not mine to keep. But it's pretty clean, man. Pretty clean. Showed you guys all the defects. From the outside, it looks all right. I mean, the inside interior, I don't really like it. There's a good amount of stuff that has to be fixed too. These are the type of seats it came with. It's decent, I guess. Headliner, everything's fine with that. It's just the sides. The sides are always on Silverados. This thing's very common. And then this, they're freaking up, man. Need to see what's up with the rest, but suede headliner. Might even do starlights in this joint. But yeah, that's that. Yeah, like I said, California Battery about to get me right. New battery is in. Need to get some new bolts though. These are stripped. But yeah, brand new heads, brand new water pump, some new what's it called, some new spark plugs. You see the cutout right there? Needs tires, man. I'm gonna see if I can fix any imperfections before I sell, just so I don't get lowballed too much. But yeah, overall it ain't too crazy. We're gonna head to my mom's real quick. About to go eat some food and probably work on some estimates there too. Maybe pull up on the homie as well, because you want to check it out. Just to give you guys a little sound clip. As most of you know, I'll be blessing this bridge. Gotta make sure there's no cops. Give them a little bit of space. Yeah, this thing sounds good. Making sure the temps are good because it overheated on me. That's why it was down for so long, but everything's looking solid, thankfully. We're about to go put some E85 real quick, hit a gym workout, and then go pick up a deposit for a job that I'm gonna be doing on Tuesday. So that's what I got going on right now. I'll pick up the camera once I go pump some meat. All right, man, we're back at the gas station, like I said. Best E85 spot right here on Palm and 5th, the mobile one, right off the freeway too. Matter of fact, it filled up with a lot less than I thought. I thought it was gonna kill a lot more. It got 4 gallons from last night and, well, yesterday basically. I mean, I wasn't mobbing it like crazy, hella, but I was gassing it for sure. I'm trying to see if I can find a bucket too so I could give to this guy. Taking off. $12 is all it took to fill up since about 24 hours ago. But I mean, I went to Fontana. I was back in SB. One of my moms, one of my homies. But I mean, I've been smashing this whole time too. I mean, with it being canned, I didn't expect much either. But you know, it ain't doing too bad. We just got to the gym, Vim and Vigor. About to hit some low-key some chest and back. Who knows, my record. I'll see if I have my tripod on me. Or we'll go from the gym. Did some chest and back. I low-key forgot I could control start this shit too. Look. Damn. Now the cold starts are gonna be way easier. Low-key forgot I could. But right now we're gonna go pick up a deposit for a job I got here in Highland, and after that probably head to the pad, go cook something up, and then take a shower and get back to work on the ads. So I'll pick up the camera once I head out that spot. All right, man, so this is the project that I'm gonna take care of on Tuesday. As a matter of fact, Tuesday morning I'm gonna be in San Diego no matter what, but my pops is gonna come out here. We're gonna basically saw cut from this joint up all the way up, and we're gonna demo whatever's over here, fill everything in with 4-inch thick concrete. Here, I'm gonna zoom out for you guys. Fill everything in with 4-inch thick concrete. This specific section where the cars are gonna go, we're gonna do number 3 rebar at 18 inches off center. And then over here towards the walkway, we're gonna do 6-inch by 6-inch wire mesh. Right here, I'm just gonna confirm with him whether or not he wants to only put foam right here and fill everything in. But we're gonna do it up to this joint right here. We gotta check once we're on site with a squadra. What's it called in English? Squadra, like a 90-degree tool, just to make sure, you know, it's at a right angle and a straight edge, I think, maybe, or I don't know. But we're gonna go from the property line. We're gonna set a stake over there and set a string line and just make sure that we're straight. But yeah, basically rip it out from there up, saw cut, demo all that, demo over there, fill all this in with new 4-inch thick concrete. Like I said, this section right here, number 3 rebar, 18 inches off center. Over there, 6-inch by 6-inch wire mesh reinforcement, and that's it. We're gonna do a broom finish, follow this joint, do one joint over there, and we're not gonna do a joint straight up because we're gonna feel like it's too busy. So that's about it, man. Silverado right here. Ooh, looking pretty nice. Sounding pretty clean. Like I said, we gotta get some new stickers, man. I gotta fix this somehow. I don't know, little stuff, but overall it's been treating me right. All right, buddy, we put up on that boy Chris. We in the 600 horsepower 5.0. Guy has a parachute like if he needs it. Kirk is like if he needs it. He has some sort of misfire, or it sounds like a whistle or a whine. Oh no. Check engine light, all sorts of stuff. Piece of good junk. I'm playing this thing crazy though. I'm gonna show you guys the outside right now. I forgot to record once I got here, but I'm about to do a pull. You guys are about to see this. Hellcat killer, 06 killer, 01 killer. I just have a normal killer. Alright, bro. About to see how this thing goes. Got ambient lighting in this thing. Star lights. It's a little daily driver. Little daily driver. Fat ass e-brake for some reason. Crazy. About to bust a U and let this rip. Damn, check out the back. Where's he delete? Clap your cheeks.
What did he say?
Alright, bro. Damn. Now imagine my boy with a 15. Crazy. Carbon doors. Alright, bro. Alright, chill out. Bad old Whipple. That boy Angel with Precise Auto Works. Check out the light. Ooh. Damn. As a matter of fact, he just got a diffuser too. I'll show you guys right now. Clean though. My boy just need the carbon side skirts, carbon front lip. Lord. Wet, man. Parachute. How's it feel to be the slowest in the IE? I'm about to see right now though. Time for the pull. You guys hear it from the outside? Temp's all good. Bet. Tires though.
We're on wire, but it's okay.
We're on wires on the fronts, but the rears, how are they? I didn't even check them out. I saw they got thread, but
The rears are even worse.
what gear are you hitting it at?
Third gear.
Third gear? 60. Oh. 6130? It's barely 3K RPM and it sounds like that. Snap. Oh shit. Third gear. 130. Woo-hoo-hoo.
Yeah, that might sound good.
Oh, bro. Nah, that sounds crazy.
That shit was weak, nigga.
That shit was weak?
Hell yeah. It's because it held the gear at 56. Usually you don't really do that no more.
That means you gotta bust you and do it again. Low key, I feel like the truck will gap you, bro.
Do it. My daily versus your truck, nigga.
Your daily versus my truck? I'll mop that shit.
That shit felt weak.
It felt good.
It felt good, huh?
Yeah.
It didn't feel like the other day though when I put the shoe, nigga, oh,
It felt way crazy?
Yeah. What it do is colder too.
Huh. Maybe.
Alright, that's my slow S650.
It sounds crazy. Pretty slow. It doesn't feel as crazy as the vet, but you know it's getting there. It's getting there. Maybe if you pull these down again, but yeah, who knows?
We're on 91 right now.
91.
I'm gay.
Biggest pulley, he's gay. Oh my gosh, man. That thing was slow, bro.
We gotta do that to your vet.
I know.
The matte or satin matte, gray. I think it'll look kind of good.
I don't like my silver though. Like that's like a darker tone sort of. Like mine is a light tone silver. I don't like it.
How do you feel? Good.
It felt good. Yeah. He had to let off because it wasn't catching it.
Full, that shit holds the gear. It held fourth going to fifth.
What do you mean?
Like, it just flat line.
You popped the front?
Well, maybe because your fucking O2 fucking is not
No, it's because I'm not built training, so it's like holding on for dear life.
already.
No,
Like
that's
Jose's?
that's how it's been. There's times like where you floor that bitch and it holds the gear.
All right, man. Just left my old barber's house to go to my new barber's.
Hit him up.
Just see. Okay. Okay.
That's his barber, eh?
Okay.
Look at this nice view. Got a pool right here.
But yeah, I came to get a cut real quick since tomorrow's Mother's Day. All right, man. We got that fresh cut. Damn, my freaking headlight bulb like sideways, bro. This thing don't even point straight. But we about to head back to the pad. About to hop in the shower. And get to work on some ads. Got a lot I'm trying to do by Monday. All right, buddy, we got a 5-0 right here that wants to run it. What's up? On 3. No, on 3. Wait, matter of fact, right work for the 6.0. Papita, homie. Ten speed for what? Man. Boy asking what I got. All right, man, we fresh out of church. Heading back to my mom's pad right now. I'm about to spend Mother's Day with her. Man, I ain't never even tested this truck like that. I mean, he was 3 deep, but I don't know. Little 6.0 did his thing. He was asking what I had. I just told him on 3. Don't worry about that. All right, that's gonna wrap up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys have a good rest of your day, morning, night, whatever time it may be. Catch you guys on the next one.